I am so excited. I cleaned and cleared the entire bar cart because we are going to do a DIY fall bar cart for guests. We're going to start off with some fall themed hot cocoa bombs. This one is pumpkin spice. Second layer are these pumpkin shaped white hot cocoa bombs. Adding another layer of the pumpkin spice. Next, I'm going to add a label. Hot cocoa bombs are done. Moving on to some toppings. Okay, we're gonna go over to the bar cart and I wanted to kind of start planning out where I'm gonna put everything. This tier stand is gonna go here in the corner because I picked up this pumpkin shaped drink dispenser and I think it would look really cute with apple cider. Next is this corner over here to equal the height. We have a tiered tray. Then I got these pumpkin spice hot cocoa packets. And I'm just gonna stock them right here on the top tier. The original milk chocolate flavor. These are salted caramel. And then these are pumpkin spice. The pumpkin spice hot cocoa bombs will go back here. I'm gonna add some of my favorite fall mugs down here. Okay, it's looking really good so far, but we still need to decorate. We'll do it in part 2.